lecture sessions. As you know that already we have started revision session for the upcoming first semester examination. Okay, in the last lecture we have completed block number 1 and 2, and today we are starting with block number 3 and 4. We'll just see some of the important questions answer. Let me tell you once again, the upcoming exam is going to be like an MCQ exam. Okay, so in that examination there won't be short answers or there won't be a lengthy answers. There you would be supposed to select only one correct option, that's it. And hence thorough reading of the text is very important. So I would like to request you, kindly read all the lessons which comes under 8 blocks. Okay, all 8 blocks you need to read. So let's start. Today we'll see a boy's love for a sparrow. This lesson has been written by Anil Chandra. The author is Anil Chandra. Okay, let's check the same. How did Hiralal and his mother feel when they saw the other birds trying to save the trapped bird? Was there a difference between their feelings? Yes. Let's check the answer. I hope you must have read the complete story. It's really very interesting story. Hiralal feels choked thinking that while the other little birds were trying to help the trapped bird, none of the humans were doing anything. His mother commented that she found it is a strange sight. She didn't seem to feel as strongly about it as Hiralal. She seemed resigned to the bird's fate. She seemed resigned to the bird's fate. Okay, this is what the answer is. Question number 2. Retell in your own words how the trapped bird was saved. Sequence the events correctly. This answer is self-response type of answer, wherein you are supposed to write answer by taking the reference from the text as well as by using your own words. So let's begin. This is a sample answer. Your answer might be a different one and that is also a correct one. Okay, so need not to compare your answer with this sample answer. Let's check the answer. First, Hiralal goes to the transmission station to request the officials to switch off the power for a little while. Later that night, the people from the transmission station come to rescue the bird. Finally, when Hiralal tells them where exactly the bird is, it is freed. It is freed. Let's see this question number 3. For how long did the bird stay trapped in the power line? Who tried to save the bird? Who did not care about it? Let's check this question's answer. The bird was trapped in the power lines for nearly 3 days. While Hiralal tried to save the bird, his parents did not care about it. His parents did not care about it. Question number 4. What did the various characters in the story say? Okay. Feel or do when they saw or learnt of the trapped sparrow. Write what they said, felt or did in your own words. Okay, so let's check. Hiralal feels awful seeing the little bird trapped in the wire. His mother feels compassion and pity for it, but is unwilling to do anything to free it. His father is unconcerned about the fate of the bird. The other birds are concerned and try to help free it. The engineer at the transmission station is moved by Hiralal's concern for the bird and organizes to free it. What is the main idea of the story? A boy's love for a sparrow. This answer is also personal response type of answer. Hence, your answer might be different. This is a sample answer. Okay, so don't compare your answer with this one. The main idea of the story is that humans have a moral responsibility towards animals. Since humans are the ones changing the natural environment, that also belongs to the animals. Okay. So do remember such type of answers so that you can also write very correct answers. Okay, whenever you'll have personal response type of questions. Understood? Hence, you need to answer, you need to read a lot, not only the textbooks, but other extracurricular books also you need to read so that you will get new words, you will get new word structures, and you will be able to write very impressive answers. Choose one word that best describes Hiralal. Stubborn, thoughtful, careless. Okay, here also this is a personal response type of answer. Okay, so let's check. Hiralal is a thoughtful because he is the only one in the story who seems to care about the little bird. He not only feels bad for the bird but also tries to take some concrete step to save it. He first tries to convince his parents to help him save the bird. When they don't, he goes to the transmission station to request them to switch off the power to save the life of the little bird. He cared about the pain and struggles of the sparrow. Okay, so he was very thoughtful. We can't say he was stubborn or careless. He do care for not only the people but for the animals, birds also. Okay. Match the present form of the verbs with their simple past forms. Then match the simple past forms with their past participles. One has been done for you. Let's check. First column is simple present, second simple past, and third past participle. We have to just match. Okay. So let's see how we can match them. Like here you can see swim. Okay, which is second form is swam, third form is swum. Okay, tell, tell is told. After that, once again the third form or past participle remains the same, told. Okay, next word is go. Okay, we'll take different colors so that you can see. Go. Okay, next is went, which is the second form. Third form is gone. Okay, sit changes to sat when we use in simple past, and it remains same in the past participle. We don't add any ed or any other suffix. Okay, so sit, sat, sat. Last, second last is it. Okay, let's check the it. Okay, it changes to ate in the simple past, and in the past participle it becomes eaten. Okay, now let's check the last one. Sing, sing becomes sang when we use as a simple past, and last, that is past participle, sang changes to sung. Understood? So this one is a V1, this is a V2, and this is a V3. This is verbs first form. All these, this column, all these are a verb second form, and all these are a verbs third form. Correct? All these are a verbs third form. So we have seen this, and you need to remember many more such so that you can write correct, grammatically correct sentences. Understood? Let's revise them once again. Run, ran, run. Swim, swam, swum. Tell, told. Okay, told. Go, went, gone. Sit, sat. It remains same, sat. Eat, ate, eaten. Sing, sang, sung. Correct? I hope you must have understood all this. Next, write the simple present, simple past and past participle forms of the verbs. Okay. Yeah, I have not given any answer, just I'll tell you orally. Write changes to wrote and written. Make changes to made, made. Sing, sang, sung. Freeze, froze, frozen. Teach, taught, taught. Fall, fail, fallen. Drink, drank, drunk. Go, went, gone. Stood, stood remains same. Okay, stood, stood, stood. View changes to wow, oven, speak, spoke, spoken. Take, took, taken. Hide remains same. Hide, hide, hidden. Last one is hidden. Grow, grew, grown. Awake. Okay. Second form is awoke and last one is awaken. Beat remains same. Beat, beat and last form is beaten. Begin, began and begun. Blow, blew, blown. Choose, chose, chosen. Forgive, okay. Forgive, forgot, forgiven. Do, does, done. Okay, sorry. Do, did, done. Drive, drove, driven. Hold, okay, held and last once again held. Keep, kept, kept. Lay, okay, laid, lent. Know, knew, known. Pay, paid, paid. Cut remains same. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Draw, drew, drawn. Steal, stole, stole, stolen. Throw, threw, thrown. Win, won, won. Okay, so these are the simple present, simple past and past participle forms. You can check many more such forms so that in exam you can write the correct answers. So go through all such type of questions very carefully. I know that you have got grammar guide also. Go through that and you will get many more such examples. Next, strike out the incorrect verb form in each group and write the correct one in its place. One has been done for you. Like here, see, saw. It should have been seen, but they had given see. So that is wrong. So let's check. Wear, or, okay. Where, or, own. It should have been WORN, or. Next, come. After that came, come. Okay, so this is wrong. Go, went. It should have been gone. Start, starten, starten. Start, started, started. Okay, these both are wrong. Run, it should have been run. Run, ran, run. Wake, woke, wake, and this one should be open. Okay, I hope you must have understood all this also. Very nice. Last one. Choose the correct verb forms from the brackets to fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. He saw a suspicious looking man on the street. So let's write the answers. Let's begin. This chair was dashed by a man I know. This chair was wove. This chair was wove by a man I know. She dash something every day. She cooks. Okay, frequent action. The poor cat has dashed by a mean boy. The poor cat was kicked. She dash cakes that sell hot in the market. She bakes. The book is dashed by an Indian dancer. The book is written by. He dashed the child gently on the bed. He lay. Okay. He laid the child gently on the bed. The dash was could not be fixed. The broken was, flower was. So the broken was could not be fixed. The little girl in this dash corner of the class. The little girl sits. An orange colored frog dash around this pond every day. Hops, jumps here and there. Okay, so just see the correct verb forms and use them here in such type of questions answers. Last category, rewrite the sentences correctly. I read a book yesterday. It's simply I read. Okay, so simply the pronunciation would be I read a book yesterday. He stole a jar of biscuits from the kitchen. Okay, it's simply stole. It's simply stole. They drank a glass of lemonade. It is simply drank. Drank. I write a song for my mother when I was 10. Here it should have been, it's a past. So wrote. I wrote. I wrote. The page of the book was torn by my sister. It should have been torn. Was torn by my sister. Understood? Okay. So students, thank you so much for watching this video so patiently and carefully. I would like to request all of you, start your preparation. Okay, as we have to give our first semester examination. Okay, so let's begin. In case of any doubt, any problem, any difficulty, you can reach me. I have given my WhatsApp as well as another number also. You can call me or you can send me a message. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Have a great day to all of you.